your username and that kind of stuff, but it can be more, it can be fully personal, like it can use the data that Spotify gets from your Spotify tracks and lists, and it can put it into your email, and that could be very useful for personalization. So that can be an improvement, right? And this is the whole point with this whole activity, is to kind of do a media mix. Media mix is basically what I learned today. My personal take on this is, if you like, it's kind of like focusing on what, not only one thing, but like 3, 5 things, and really focusing on these parts, and then moving on to something else once you have mastered this. It's like, the analogy that I said to you in the beginning, which I really liked, and this is my take, that from today, my take is that you cannot shout everywhere. You need to shout somewhere first, and then once you get good at it, you shout somewhere else, and that will lead to way better branding. Okay, so yeah, so some improvements for Spotify: focus on personalized ads and emails, test offline, and yeah, that's it. So my takeaway is build smarter, personalize, and test offline. All right, and yeah, so that's it. So again, for the learning, I watched a video, took some notes, and used AI, leverage AI to do summary. And then I listened to a podcast, and then that's for my learning. And then I did an activity, and yeah. So also to summarize, yesterday I learned about a creative message and what was it? Creative message. Creative messaging and content, right? Yeah, I almost got it right. Basically, the last part of the content is just add on, basically. But it was basically creative messaging that ask three sort of questions, and then craft kind of a slogan, very brief slogan, like just do it, like Nike, for example. And then that is your creative messaging, because if you don't have that, and you just have a logo, then you just have a logo, and you don't have a kind of a creative message, right? To tell your audience. But yeah, and the day before I learned about STP marketing, bro. This STP marketing is gonna stick to my head. It's so like sticky. STP, so S is for segmentation, T is for targeting, and P is for positioning. So positioning is basically how you're different in your market, like how you position yourself, how you're differentiated in the market, right? And yeah, so STP marketing is way better, by the way, than mass marketing. That was my take from the day before yesterday, basically. But yeah, that's it for today, and I hope you are growing, and let's make our families proud. Let's go.